Number three, just wanted to touch base on, I suppose, this whole cryptocurrency market capitalisation and what's going on. It's been a crazy couple of months, really, from March 2017, April and May, and we've seen some amazing growth in this whole sector, and a lot of us just can't even, I suppose, fathom what's going on. I mean, I wrote an article on my Steemit blog in regards to, I suppose, understanding the S-curve and how new technologies are always reliant on a period of time where there's an early adoption and it moves into, I suppose, a majority adoption. Different technologies have, I suppose, move at different speeds. If you look at when electricity came in, and now we're looking at a change in the monetary system. Electricity, I think, took 20, 30 years to sort of move on into a steady, well understood technology, and some of the other ones like iPhones and mobile phones were, over a 20-year period, those type of things. This monetary system seems to be moving very, very, very quickly. If you want to look at it from, I suppose, a start point, we could look at Bitcoin. I think it was around about 2009, 2010. If you invested, $1,000 in Bitcoin in 2010, I think you have around about $13 million, if not more, and it's just going up and up and up. So what I wanted to do, I'm just on CoinMarketCap. They've got some really good graphs here in regards to the total market capitalisation, and as you can see down here, if you can see my cursor, you've got starting from about 2013, there was an initial little bit of excitement in Bitcoin. The top one is the global chart as an overall, because as we know that I think Bitcoin was dominating the market share at that point, so any of these early movements would have been definitely Bitcoin, and as we get along, has sort of plateaued a little bit, I think, just as the market sort of sorted itself out. Now this is the first part of the S-curve. This is an initial S-curve, if you like, and then there's a consolidation, and then people started to actually catch on what was going on. And as we've seen at the beginning, I suppose, November 15, May 16, November 2016, and then this crazy month here, May 17, it's just pretty much going vertical. And now as I come down into this next graph, which shows an altcoin market capitalisation, so this would be, I suppose, excluding Bitcoin, which is the mother of this amazing journey, and I have not seen a line rise so quickly. I mean, that is literally vertical. Obviously that'll flatten out over a period of time, but you can see that the money has just flowed in May 2017. Now, is this going to stop anytime soon? Well, it has to. There has to be a correction. It has to plateau out at some stage, but I think we've only touched the surface. I think this exponential, or this part of this S-curve here, is going to just skyrocket for some time. We might even see it go in little pulses as big money is freed up to be able to put into this technology. So it's very, very exciting. As we come down to this third graph here, is Bitcoin percentage of total market capitalisation. Now, when Bitcoin was obviously at the beginning, it was leading the pack. There wasn't too much competition in regards to, I suppose, attention. And that's what I always talk about in regards to business. It's how much attention you can get, and Bitcoin is just slowly starting to drip or drop down over a period of time, and as we can see, since January 2017 or just after, they've lost around about 30% of that attention, but it's not stopping the market capitalisation, of course. It's only getting bigger and bigger and bigger. So this graph here is a little bit of an illusion. It's just part of the market share, or the percentage of market share, so don't be caught out there. I mean, Bitcoin's going to keep growing and growing and growing. You'll probably find it will accelerate another 10 times over the next 2 years. However, so are the altcoins, and that's what's really going to happen. So if you're interested to just read what I have to say on the S-curve, you can check out my blog. It's probably about 15 blogs down since I wrote it. It's just in regards to, I suppose, S-curves, and I'm very big on it, and I sort of look at these type of this scenario when I'm choosing my stocks, or I'm choosing making decisions where I'm going to invest my money. There's going to be a period where I'll probably feel that I've had enough of a particular investment. Do I see this slowing down anytime soon? No. So Learn about the S-Curve, read my blog if you're interested, and that's all I really wanted to share with you today. Just exciting times. Be diligent, stack hold, and yeah, just be smart and enjoy the ride. Have a good day.